Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it go slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment. Let the sound of your breath anchor you here. No yesterday, no tomorrow, just now. Feel your body, the weight of it resting, breathing, existing. You don't have to do anything or be anything more than this. This is your pause, your reset, your reminder that life happens right here. Sometimes our minds run ahead, chasing what's next or replaying what's behind. But peace lives where your feet are. So notice them, planted in this moment. Everything you need to feel calm is already within you. Your breath, your awareness, your willingness to be. Right now, that's enough. Take a moment to notice the quality of your thoughts. They shape the world you experience. Each thought plants a seed within you. When you choose kindness in your thinking, you nurture peace from the inside out. You can't always control what happens around you, but you can choose how to respond within you. Focus on what uplifts you. Look for what's working, not what's missing. You deserve to see life through a lens of gratitude and curiosity. Every good thing you've ever experienced began with a single decision to believe. To trust that something wonderful could happen. As you breathe now, believe again. Let yourself feel the richness of this exact moment. Notice the air that moves through you, the quiet between each breath. Every second is a gift that will never come again. When you are fully here, everything becomes more vivid. Colors brighter, sounds deeper, emotions clearer and more honest. Presence unlocks joy. You don't have to search for it. Joy lives where you are awake enough to notice it. Life is not measured by what you plan for later, but by what you allow yourself to experience right now. This is living, aware, open, and real. There is power in release. Think of all that isn't yours to carry. The worries, the old frustrations, the things far beyond your reach. Picture them drifting away like fog, dissolving in the light of your calm awareness. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means creating space for freedom and peace. You are not responsible for everything that unfolds around you. Only for how you show up within it. Forgive what you can't change. Accept what is. And breathe into what will be. The moment you release control, you take back your energy. You become lighter, stronger, and free to grow. Change is not your enemy, it is life unfolding. Every season, every transition carries purpose. Even the uncomfortable moments are shaping you into someone wiser, more resilient. Trust that the unknown holds possibility. You have walked through uncertainty before and found your way each time. So open your heart again. Change invites discovery. It's proof that you're still alive, still becoming who you're meant to be. Welcome what comes next. Not with fear, but with curiosity. It might just be leading you somewhere better than you imagined. Now come home to yourself. You are whole, not because everything is perfect, but because you continue to rise, to learn, to love through every season. You are allowed to trust yourself. You've carried wisdom through every storm, and your heart knows more than you give it credit for. Where you are right now is exactly where you're meant to be. Not behind, not ahead, but here, unfolding in time. Take one last deep breath in and feel grounded in who you are. You are calm. You are capable. You are ready for what's ahead. Carry this peace with you. Let it light your path forward.